Well, hello and welcome to Jimonism Total Knowledge channel. Today I wanted to show you a kind of little, different method on how you can actually make it so that loose headphone connections won't be loose anymore for like headphones. And this, I show this on my Asus Zenfone because that's the particular unit I have trouble with. But this of course applies to any 3.5 connection like this one, either if it's a laptop, stereo, iPad, phone, MP3, whatever. So basically, if we are using a device like this one, like this is a carry-around device, you have it in your pocket, it's a phone, a lot of the times you'll actually have a lot of dust and stuff coming into this little hole here. Now this is not particularly the problem with this unit, but it was the problem before I had more serious trouble. So if we're just gonna bring this up here, you can see we're just gonna take a paper clip like this and folding it up on, and we just stick it in there, and we just try to like take pieces of dust with us from the depth of this thing. Now you can try to clean out. There is usually a little block of dust in the bottom, and it might actually get hard to get out there. It might be actually very compact. So you have to be a little bit careful and have a little patience, but you'll kind of feel the dust in the bottom here when you're digging around. And then you just take that out, and well, I don't know if this is even possible to show, but I think you can see that in this particular case it's actually cracked inside of here. I've actually cracked it, and this leads to a loose connection. So if I bring up my headphones here and I connect them in, you can probably see how extremely loose this thing is. It's really sad, it's just so loose. And to solve this issue, well, it's not very easy, but there is a quick fix you can do. Like previously I have just used other headphones that are a little bit larger that will actually work. But this Marshall headphone is kind of thinner, so it won't work, and it's not a good solution. So you might not be able to have thicker headphones, and it's hard to know which 3.5mm headphone it's thicker or thinner, because they are supposed to be exactly the same size. But there is a little trick you can actually do, and I think you'll have to try and not laugh. Yeah, you probably see it in the corner there. There's the scissors. So, what we can do is we can take a piece of paper, and then we'll just cut, or like the tiny little ribbon, alright, like this, just a tiny little ribbon, like that, and you'll just take your phone like this, and you can see it here, and you kind of put it down here, this little paper ribbon. I know it looks stupid, but then you can just carefully click it in there, and you'll notice on your phone screen if it's connected or not, which I'm gonna show you. Go here, you can see it's actually connected. Now the position of this little paper ribbon depends on what unit you're using. It's to the back on this piece, but it can be to any piece, because the metal connectors inside this hole is not all the way around usually. They usually have some bits where they connect. So you can't usually place it anywhere, you'll need to select a point. And well, don't get any paper stuck there, but it's super silly, but this actually works. as you can see. We go in here. Yep, we're connected. Here we can see I'm connected. If I remove this paper clip, go here, you can see it's connected sometimes, and now it's disconnected. It's really confused. Now it's not even connected. Yeah, you'll get a point. It makes the connection much firmer, and it looks super stupid, and it is kind of stupid, but well, it works. It's kind of a temporary fix, and what you can also try and do is put a little piece of tape here that sticks to this surface. Now, I haven't had particularly much luck with that, but you may have better luck. You'll need to have a very thin piece of tape, and it needs to stick properly. Mine just slided around and just caused a mess, so I had to clean this up. Maybe you'll need some specific type of tape, but electric tape doesn't work. Normal plastic tape didn't work for me, so paper was actually the best. But you can try around, and as you may understand, this is just a quick fix. So like permanently fixing this cracked thing, that's hard. But if you're lucky, you only needed to clean yours, so hope you're one of those. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is your host, Jim Odesum, signing out.